It's indeed YouTube, it is your guy, 74 Midwest Bass, and as you can see, we are in old blue. Anybody that just might be getting tuned in or just stopping by, welcome to the channel. It's a reminder, we got a giveaway coming up soon. We are less than 10 subscribers away from giving away a brand new sub, maybe two, the Audio Legion Javelin 12s. For anybody that's unfamiliar with those, go back to some of our old videos. We've got FLEXIN meter scores and everything on them. But as for now, like I said, old blue, the magnificent, 92 Riviera. It is cold outside, so for all those who haven't seen it, we do got a pair of 20s to go on these. Nice, pretty, shiny chromes. But the system consists of two of the Soundtown Aries 10D2s on this head back there, but American Bass VFL 4800.1D. Yes, indeed, these are 10D2s, so we do got the amp wire down to 0.5 ohms, giving the subs major juice, and they are taking it. That American Bass VFL 4800, it's over 3 years old. We've been banging it at 0.5 ohms, and it's been handling it. Yes, indeed. But like I said, everybody that's been around knows what's going on today. Sunday bass. Artist for today, KB. Song, Zone Out. Let's get it.
Like the crowd, 7 years that I stuck out, got death threats, pushed out, but how they supposed to hurt a man that's been dead since him, I'm hungry,